Sneezing is your nose's defense system, a powerful reaction that protects your body from unwanted intruders. When dust or germs tickle the inside of your nose, sensory nerves send a signal to your brain, triggering this reflex. As the brain processes this signal, it prepares the body for a swift and forceful expulsion of air. This explosive release of air is so powerful that it can travel up to 100 miles per hour, effectively clearing out the irritants. Additionally, sneezing helps to keep your nasal passages moist and clear, promoting better respiratory health. Interestingly, sneezing can also be triggered by bright light, a phenomenon known as photic sneeze reflex.